Today we're making super yummy coconut macaroons. They're definitely easier to make than regular macaroons and damn, they taste good. You'll need 200 gram marzipan, 150 gram shredded coconut, 3 eggs, separated, 120 gram powdered sugar, some vanilla extract and, as usual, a pinch of salt. First, separate your eggs and beat the egg white until it is stiff. I love to turn it upside down to test if it's stiff enough. Now add the shredded coconut and fold it carefully. If the coconut doesn't get absorbed fully, don't worry about it now. Get the egg yolks and marzipan and squish it until it is smooth. Some people make this with a mixer, but I prefer to feel the pieces between my fingers. If there are almost no tiny pieces left, you add the powdered sugar and continue mixing. Add a pinch of salt and don't forget to pour a tiny bit of vanilla extract into the mixture. When you're done with that, add the egg white coconut mix into it and again fold it until it is thoroughly mixed. If the mixture is looking good, form it into about walnut-sized balls and place them on a baking sheet. Of course you can pipe them too, but I'm not the biggest fan of piping, so yeah, that's how I do them. As these won't grow, you can place them pretty close to each other and bake them at about 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Be careful not to burn them. If your oven tends to burn anything even on this setting, try to lower it a bit more and let it bake longer. I got mine out just in time. The top has changed color to a soft brown and the bottom is at the verge of a dark brown, which still tastes good, not burnt. As usual, I can only tell you, know your oven. Nobody wants burnt macaroons. And of course, enjoy these yummy treats.
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.